Papunta kami sa bahay ng kuya ni Danny Boy. Mag-ano lang kami, visit kami ng mga isang oras lang siguro habang may lakad yung kuya niya saglit. Yung mama kasi nila wala dito. So punta tayo doon. Malapit na kami actually. Kanina pa kami nagda-drive kasi yung bahay nila diba nasa hills na. Malayo na sila. Punta tayo sa kanilang hacienda. Meron siyang ano, yung ewan ko ba, yung hay fever. Sniff siya ng sniff. Coco! Coco! Hello! Lumabas kami guys kasi malamig sa loob. Coco! Uy, hindi ka makita sa camera. Itim-itim mo. Nakita niyo ba yung mga fluff? Lumilipad-lipad. Hindi ko alam makakita niyo. Galing dun sa tree na yun, oh. Ayan, may mga fluff na lumilipad-lipad. You're right there?
Yep.
Meron tayong ano, oh, bird poop. Hindi pala siya galing sa tree. Galing daw siya sa kapitbahay. Lumilipad ng mga ano, wool. Kasi meron silang sheep. Dami, oh, parang nagsusnow na dito. Dami ng fluff na wool na nagliliparan. Hindi ko alam kung kita sa camera pero ang dami nagliliparan dito. Ang laki nitong lupain nila. Si Maddie nagtago. Sabi niya, hanapin ko daw siya. Bahala siya. Layo na niya. Hindi ko na alam nasan siya. Coco! Sinundan siya ni Coco.
Maddie! Rachel said she's not looking for you.
Coco's back. Where's Maddie? Where did she go? Do you want to help me? Coco, come on. Let's find Maddie. Where is she? Coco, come here. Coco, come here. Show me. Where is she? Where's she hiding? It's wool, my love?
It's wool.
Yeah, I know. That's what Maddie said.
Bloody hell, Maddie. Look how much it sheds.
Yeah. Now it's
I'm
on
sure
your...
your dad comes here and cleans it all up.
I know he doesn't.
Sabi ko kay Dan, maglakad-lakad kami dito. Coco, come here.
He watered every day.
Dito tayo wag sa grass kasi basa. Come here, Coco. Follow the leader. Show me where to go. Huh? No, I can't hear it. Oh yeah, I can hear it now.
Brrr.
Like a goat.
Brrr.
Look. Now that's a bird. They said I should start walking around Maddie so the baby comes out. And I go, "Wah, wah, wah." Did you hear that?
Brrr.
Maddie's taking us for a walk. The safe walk. Not
That's
the...
pretty cool, Maddie.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Meron silang sariling waterfall. Itutour niya tayo sa kanilang ano guys, forest.
You gotta put some fish in here.
Fish? No, it's a flowing water.
That fish?
Yeah.
That's where that's away right there.
Yeah. Oh, not the slippery part, Maddie.
I can't get on there, right?
I'm not allowed. Too dangerous.
How often do you come down here, Maddie? Only sometimes.
I want one thing why some people are like then I thought that was a hot tub.
A what? A hot tub?
Hot tub. I think he goes swimming in this when he gets home. Actually, you could swim in it. The water's clean.
Yeah, the water's clean.
No?
Water's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can drink it. She'll bring up cups out here and just drink it. Just check in the car seat.
Yeah. Doon pa din yung mga bata sa loob, guys. Nihintay pa din namin yung papa. Agay. Nihintay namin yung papa nila. Yung car seat, di ba in-install to ni ate? Yung ginamit niya na seatbelt is yung middle seatbelt. So, kagabi, nung hinatid namin sila at saka si Tony, sila dito umupo sa gitna. Wala siyang seatbelt kasi ginamit ni ate yung sa middle seatbelt, guys. Inasa side namin pinalagay yung car seat. So that's the middle seatbelt right there. Dapat yung gamitin niya na yun dito sa gilid. Diba? Kasi yun yung seatbelt para dyan. Seatbelt para dito sa gitna. Kung may uupo dito, is yan. Inilagay namin siya dito sa gilid para hindi ako mahirapang kunin si baby. Kasi kapag sa gitna, medyo malayo siya guys. Mahirapan akong i-reach sa baby. So, dapat dito sa gilid. So, chine-check lang ni Dan. Tapos mamaya, babalik kami sa baby bunting para ipa-check sa kanila. So, see? That's the seatbelt right there. Na.
Yeah, that's the seatbelt there.
Yeah. Is that used?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's used as well? So, she used to...
Yeah.
If that's how they should do it, then... For safety, then I guess it's fine, but... So, meaning, hindi kami makakapag-pasakay ng pasahero dito. Guys, we figured it out. I took the capsule out. And, na-stuck lang pala yung middle seat belt dito. Na-stuck lang siya dito. Pero, hindi siya ginamit ni ate. Nandito yung, side seat belt. Ito yung ginamit niya para i-secure yung ating base. And, okay na to guys. I took out the capsule para lang i-check ba. So, ika-cancel na ni Dan yung appointment. At least, chinek namin para hindi na kami mag-drive doon kasi malayo talaga yun guys. Okay na. Ito yung capsule, oh. Lagay mo lang siya dito. Maganda to kasi magaan lang. Kailangan ko tong i-practice do.
And we're off. We're going to the chocolate factory. Melbars, I don't know. At Woodside. M-E-L-B-A-S.
Melbas.
Melbars.
Melbas chocolates.
Alright. Why are we going there?
I don't know.
Are we buying chocolate?
Up to you.
Of course we are. You don't just go to the chocolate factory to walk around, my love. You go there to buy chocolate. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put it away and save it for a special occasion.
That's right.
That's right. That's the plan.
We have so many chocolates in the house.
So
Or maybe not anymore because you found everything.
What do you mean I found everything? I don't know
I think you did.
I don't know what you're talking about. You're crazy. You do crazy talk. Seriously.
Feeling ko nahanap na yung lahat ng taguan ko. So feeling ko ubos na yun.
You gotta hide them better. Seriously.
See?
You don't know how to hide stuff at all. Like the kids are gonna always get stuff because you've got no idea how to hide stuff.
Did you find everything?
But I'm not gonna eat a block of chocolate because that's too big. They're too big. No, I've been eating the lids.
Where's that one?
Where your coffee is. But I'm not having been picking out. I've only had like 2 or 3 a day.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Well, that's on you now. I did my part.
Hide them. Well, you should keep him.
Okay.
He's actually the drawer next to your bed. Because what I do is at night time I go out when you're in bed and just get some chocolate.
You take the first exit here, babe.
Okay.
I wish I didn't touch the camera. I mean
The thing. What did you play with it for?
I was gonna try and move it backwards, but then now it's like, crooked.
It is crooked. Fix it when we stop.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we found a little Apple store and we're gonna get some, what are we gonna get, babe? Apple juice?
I don't know, we'll see what they have. It's a cute store.
It is a cute
A
store.
small shop.
Yeah.
We're just driving and then we noticed na maraming mga apple dito, mga apple picking egg. I don't think we've been here before.
No, we haven't been here before.
Yeah. So, may nakita kaming apple shop. Ang daming mga pwede ka mag-apple picking. And Dan said it's called orchard.
Oh, and there's, yeah, apple trees, yeah, orchard.
Orchard. Kasi kapag mga grapes daw, vineyard. I learned something new today. I didn't know that.
I might just one of those. I just want to see the breweries. I haven't seen that before.
Okay, so you wanna park there?
Just driving. I don't think I'll park.
So where are we gonna park?
Park outside there. We'll come. We'll drive. I just want to see what this is.
Okay. Do they have like a public toilet here?
No.
Ah! I can see it. Public toilet. I have like a really good toilet spotting.
Can I just park it?
Yeah, I need to go to the toilet. Dito tayo, guys.
Might just.
Ayan. The... What's that? Olo?
I'm not sure.
The apple shed. Basta the apple shed. Malaking apple dun sa taas. Ayan. Self-selection. Please handle with care. Let's see what they have. What?
Apple and mango.
Apple mango? Ooh.
And you got apple juices here.
Ah, ang cute, babe, oh. They got the apple, what do you call that?
Yeah.
Jaws.
Nice.
Yeah. Apple juice. Are they sparkling? Those ones?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Sparkling. Sparkling apple.
Okay. Let's grab some of those, my love.
Take a quick look.
Oh, check the, yeah, ingredients, babe. Babe, it's free. Ang lalaki naman. Dito na pala kami, guys, sa loob.
Welcome to Melba's.
Welcome to Melba's Chocolate Factory. Naamoy ko yung licorice. Ayoko ng licorice.
Cool is that?
Yeah, that's cool. Sure. We're here. May basket na si Dan. Oh, may laman na agad. Kakapasok pa lang. Uy.
Now we'll hide them so I eat them slowly.
Hide them and eat them slowly daw. We'll see.
Do you see anything you like, Mum? You get it.
Yeah, give it to Lyra.
Do you like the frogs?
She hates, she's scared, yeah. Wait, this is your heaven, babe.
This is my heaven.
Is it your heaven? You okay? Ah, babe, oh. Dad's chocolate bag. That's for you, my love. You're daddy now.
Sorry?
Dad's chocolate bag. Yan yung naaamoy ko. Licorice. Ayoko niyan. Sobrang hindi talaga ako na-excite sa mga ganito. Pero si Danny Boy, okay.
I'll be well behaved.
Well behaved? Good job. Hi, babe. There's more. Sobrang dami. Hindi ko lang maintindihan tong mga to. It's soft, babe. So that's marshmallow and ano yan? Gusto niya mag-post sa Instagram, kaya lang sabi niya asan daw yung heart na ano filter. Do you want me to Instagram you? I can do that. This is a good idea for your birthday, my love.
Sorry?
This is a good idea for your birthday.
Oh,
Yeah. 3 and 9. Next year. Instagram pa more. My love.
That's nice. That's okay.
Buang. Babe, look at this.
Oh, wow. That food.
Are they making the chocolates there? Inside? They are?
I think it's a...
Ah, cool. Hello.
I want his job. That's job satisfaction, though.
Aww.
I want to work at a chocolate
Do
factory.
you wanna apply? See if they're hiring.
What do you want me to work here?
I don't care where you work.
You wanna
It's
see me on
fine.
weekends?
Huh?
You want to see me on weekends?
Okay. Ayaw mo nga akong pagtrabahuin ng
I'd
weekends.
love to work here.
Sige. I'll visit you. Tinitingnan niya yung si Kuya. Sabi niya, I want this job. Huh?
We'll live in the hills.
Okay, buy a house here then. I'll come visit you every weekend.
I think he's making those.
What are these?
That's what I reckon he's making. That's what they...
Ah!
What's this chocolate?
Oops.
Oops.
Oops. You don't want it? Feeling ko masarap yung mga ganito.
Do you know what that'd be good for?
What?
I don't like how it's white though, but
For when you're baking or something?
you know when you put like a tea candle and you melt it and you dip like marshmallow or some fruit into it?
Okay, yep. You should work here and then give people pieces of advice on how to consume their chocolate.
I wish I could chocolate factory.
Andyan na pupunta yung mga chocolate kanina, guys. Ayan, sa box. Danny wants this box. Do you want that box? Ayan. How much?
How much?
Wala, babe. Nothing.
They normally do, but because of the COVID, they don't.
Yeah. But that's okay. Oh, look at that.
These are coffee beans, my love. Have you done before? Chocolate coffee beans?
I don't think so, no.
I can try that.
Okay.
That's something.
Thank you.
As one would say, it's something different.
Struggle is real?
These are nice. What I'm thinking is I might get these.
Okay.
You got a lot.
Babe, how's your diet?
Now listen, I'm going to eat this over the next 6 months.
Oh,
I will.
6 hours
Support me.
or 6 minutes. Wala na nga akong sinasabi. I'm not even saying anything, really. I know this is your happy place.
It is my happy place.
I'm just letting you do whatever you want to do. Let me check your basket. Good boy.
I want to get those.
Ah, okay. Process of elimination now.
I like all those. That's a good mixture.
Okay.
I like Rocky Road. I like Freckles. I like white chocolate with licorice. That's almond. That's coffee beans. Because that's. I want you to try that. And that's what we had at Mum's the other week, last week.
Okay.
I'm happy with that though.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want any caramel chocolate block?
Nah, I'm alright.
Okay. You sure?
I do, but no, I'm alright.
Do you want heart chocolate?
Nah, I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm happy.
Do you want coconut ice?
Nope.
Okay. Oh, good?
Yeah, I'm really good.
Dito na kami sa counter kasi malapit na. Oh, good. Happy? Okay. My love, how was your Melba's Chocolate Factory experience?
I love it there.
Where are we going
They
now?
need testers. You know, the great track is cheese.
Tingnan niyo kung gano'n siya kasaya. Happy, babe?
I'm always happy, babe.
Punta kami dito sa cheese. What's that? Tastings and basta cheese factory naman ito. My love, what's that?
Roasted.
Manok.
They got
What are you doing? Oh wow. Moisturizing. Smells good. No. Meron silang honeycomb, guys. Tingnan nyo. Interesting. Pumasok kami dito. Katabi lang siya ng cheese factory. And then got this. Ano siya? Whiskey?
Yeah.
Is it whiskey, babe?
Have some chocolate, babe. You have some chocolate.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Smell that. It smells alright.
Yeah, it's fine. Good?
Okay.
Oh. May chocolate? Okay. Pinapili siya ni ate ng mga whiskey. Yung pinili niya yung may salted caramel at saka yung may chocolate. Is it good? It actually smells like tuba. I don't know. It's hard to explain because I don't really exactly know what it is. But it's a drink in the
Yeah,
Philippines.
it's a good little area. The
It
chocolate,
is,
you got
yeah.
the good. It's like a good.
It
boys
is
area.
nice. Yeah, tas may ano dun, park dun para sa kids. I mean, maliit na area para sa kids. Do you remember which one is which?
That was the one from the barrel.
Okay.
This is the caramel one.
Salted caramel one, yeah. Well, do you want whiskey?
No, it's good. I'm not a whiskey person, but it's good too.
Yeah?
I couldn't drink a whole heap of this.
No?
No.
You just want the chocolate.
I just go for the chocolate.
$5 guys for those two. Ano lang siya, whiskey tasting, yeah. Okay na siya eh. Lalo na kung mahilig yung partner niyo sa whiskey or kung mahilig kayo sa whiskey. Very nice, no? Yeah. Tapos meron ka pang chocolate. Good job, my love. Walk straight. You're not drunk? Ah, you look cute, babe. You can drive?
Yeah, of course. I look at the antique shop.
Where are we going now?
We're going to an antique shop.
Yeah, so after the chocolate factory, whiskey, we're going to another happy place for Danny Boy.
It's Daniel's day as always.
It is. Weekends, Daniel's Day. Dito tayo sa antique shop. May mga basket na naman, oh. Ay.
Just gonna choose a few books to read.
Oo. You love books?
Big reader. Big reader. I am. You gotta support me more, babe, while reading.
Babe, I'm not even saying
You
anything.
make fun of me because I can't read. That's not very nice. Seriously, I try my best. It's not my fault. I'm just...
What's happening in Danny Boy's world right now?
Okay, this is our last antique shop for the year. We're going there.
We always go to antique shops, but
I
we
like
never
antique shops.
really buy stuff.
No, I'd buy something if I like it.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, like, we go to so many, but maybe we buy one out of like 20 visits. Yeah, that's okay.
That's
Yeah,
alright.
yeah, he likes looking at stuff like that.
I like looking at junk.
She's moving. Okay.
Alright, my love, let's go check it out.
Let's go. Nagdadrive na kami pa uwi, guys. Nag-stop lang kami dito because...
Oh, let's check it out. What is this, babe?
A dam?
Yeah, dam, reservoir.
Reservoir?
Yeah, I'll take dam though.
There you go. Water.
Water and trees.
And hubby.
That's me.
That's you. Is that where we get our drinking water from?
Could be.
Yeah?
Could be one of the places.
Anong oras na ba? Iba na yung oras. Kailangan pala natin i-adjust yung ano natin. Alas 8 na. Alas 7 pa dun sa orasan. Kasi daylight savings. We need to adjust our clock, my love. Sorry?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, I look at it sometimes. Kain tayo, guys, ng dinner. Kanina pa kami nakauwi ng bahay. Kanina pa maliwanag pa. Pero nagpahinga kami ni Dan. Si Dan tapos na kumain. Ako kakain ako ng menudo. Menudo ba ito? Yeah, menudo nga tawag, di ba? Ito yung leftover from last night's party. Initin ko lang yan. Meron din akong rice na iinitin ko din. Wait. We need a spoon. A spoon. Savage love.
Kain tayo, guys. Rice, menudo, my Bundabug tropical mango while watching Junior Master Chef. Are you learning from these kids, my love?
Yep.
Are you gonna cook food for me? Like what?
I love you, babe.
We are in bed. Tapos na ako mag-skincare. Tapos na ako lahat. Ready na ako matulog. Kasi may appointment na naman bukas. Kakapunta lang namin. Pero appointment na naman bukas, guys. Pero yeah, that's it for the vlog. Sana guys nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. I love.
Good night.
Nakahubad siya. Bye. Mwah.